At Sealed Air, we reimagine the industries we serve to create a world that feels, tastes, and works better. In that pursuit, we design revolutionary, profit-generating solutions for our clients. Darfresh on Tray is a new packaging system developed exclusively by G. Mondini and Sealed Air. It combines a revolutionary pre-made tray system with versatile vacuum skin packaging. This new food packaging solution is geared to producers and packers with a preference for pre-made trays or an offline loading process. Capitalizing on the leading technical expertise demonstrated by the proven Darfresh family, it brings a comprehensive benefit spectrum to the fresh red meat, poultry, fish, and processed meat sectors, focused on efficiency and sustainability. The new system comes with significant benefits. New film cutting process ensures that no skeleton material is left after production. The Darfresh vacuum valves give an optimal productivity and a 30 to 50% reduction in pack volume as compared to standard modified atmosphere packaging. Significant increase in machine cycle speed, flexibility, quick change between different packaging systems, innovative cutting and skin sealing station, flexibility in terms of tray types, materials, and formats, and a wide range of specific Mondini Trave Darfresh on Tray machines. The Darfresh on Tray packaging process uses specially formulated skin top web materials and pre-made rigid trays to create a vacuum second skin for the food product. The visual appeal is ensured by the film's ability to wrap gently yet firmly around all contours without any risk of distortion. The pre-made tray and Darfresh skin top web are heat sealed together right up to the product's edges to facilitate a secure pack, affording excellent hygiene and a long shelf life for chilled and frozen proteins. And with striking 3D product presentation, as well as communication possibilities stretching to the tray, wrap, and sleeve, consumer appetites also clearly appear on the commercial radar screen of Darfresh on Tray. The Darfresh on Tray packaging system is a breakthrough in skin packaging, extending the marketing and merchandising opportunities while at the same time increasing output and reducing top film usage.